Peer review. Boost your TOEFL writing score. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into one of the most effective strategies to improve your TOEFL writing section score: peer review and feedback. This is not just about getting someone to read your work, but about understanding what's working in your essay and where you can refine it. Peer review is when another person, often a classmate or study partner, reads your writing and provides feedback. This isn't just about correcting grammar mistakes. It's about content. Is your argument clear and well supported? Structure. Do you have a clear introduction, body, and conclusion? Cohesiveness. Does each paragraph flow logically to the next? 1. Fresh perspective. Sometimes, we're too close to our own work to see its flaws. A fresh set of eyes can catch things you might have missed. 2. Real-life TOEFL experience. When you take the TOEFL, examiners who don't know you will assess your work. Peer review simulates this experience. 3. Skill development. By reviewing others' work, you also refine your own writing skills by identifying strengths and weaknesses in others' essays. 1. Exchange works. Share your essay with a partner, and get theirs in return. 2. Read actively. As you read, take notes. Identify strengths and areas for improvement. 3. Ask questions. Not sure why something was written a certain way? Ask your partner. 4. Be constructive. Remember, the goal is to help each other improve. Provide feedback that's specific, actionable, and kind. 5. Review multiple times. If possible, get feedback from more than one person. Different people can offer unique insights. Be specific. Instead of saying, "This is confusing," say, "This sentence in the third paragraph isn't clear because..." Balance positives with areas for improvement. Start with what works well. Then provide suggestions for refinement. Ask clarifying questions. If you don't understand a point or the logic behind an argument, ask about it. Stay objective. Focus on the writing and argument, not the writer. Practice empathy. Remember, writing is a personal activity. Be kind and respectful in your feedback. And that wraps up our lesson on peer review and its importance in TOEFL writing preparation. Remember, it's not just about improving your own essay, but also about growing as a writer and communicator. Every piece of feedback, whether giving or receiving, is a step closer to acing that TOEFL writing section. We hope this video has been insightful, and we wish you all the best in your preparation. Happy studying!